So these crossovers require some work. They're not in bad condition actually, but because they're 45 years old, these capacitors, they're all going to be replaced with some modern equivalents. Normally a modern equivalent capacitor is smaller, however not in this case. The reason these are bigger is they've got a bigger working voltage, 100 volts. There's a mixture there of Janssen and Mundorf's. They're not the most expensive audiophile caps in the world, but they're decent enough. Also going to replace the wires, not that wire, but these speaker wires with some OFC, some reasonable OFC cable. So there we go. I'm going to have a go at changing these now. I might put it on a time lapse so I can put some music on and just chill out and do it. Anyway, there we go. Let's see what happens. Hello. So there we go. I've managed to get all those caps out. I'm only burning myself once. So I'm now going to just put some IPA on the back of them, let it dry out, and then reconvene tomorrow morning. So we've got this woofer to repair. There's a couple of things wrong with it, you can tell by that. Also this as well. The voice call cap has come loose. So to fix this, we're going to use some glue. I'm going to pour it into a little dish, and then with a fine brush, just wipe it around. And the same goes for that as well. I'm not going for brilliance, just going for a fix. Won't need any more than that. Trying to keep away from the voice coil. So a little bit of masking tape, I think, to help it dry out. I'm going to do this end as well. Okay. just scraping off with my non-existent fingernails some of the crud. And according to the internet, the solution to do it with this is just to paint some PVA over it. Just I don't know what else we can do really. I'm not painting over the entire coil. So I've no idea if that's going to make any difference or improve it. I'm hoping the dust cap will stick down. So there we go. Let's see how it works. Let that dry off now for a day or so. So we're looking at this woofer now. And I painted that yesterday. It's not come up too bad actually. A little bit of ridge. I've already taken a bit of I've already taken the masking tape off that bit. So I'm going to see if I can get my, yes, I think it might come. Yes, I'm not pulling that too much. That does appear to have fixed the dust cover. Right, it's time to fit the new capacitors. Again, I'll be doing this on time lapse so you're not bored. So no further ado, we'll go and do it. We'll start with the smaller physical values first, going up to the big ones.